my channel, and if you're new, then welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I got this look right here, clearly. But before you leave the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and then also turn your notifications so you can know every time I post. Okay, y'all, so this look is really simple. I'm using a crayon case eyeliner, and that's all I'm doing. Using the eyeliner, and I'm going to put the orange color on my inner corner. And that's it. It's really easy and simple. I tried to really focus hard on this eyeliner, y'all, because I have hooded eyes. So I'm about to try to get into doing more looks, but doing it to my, working with my hooded eyes. So if y'all want to see some of my recent looks that I did, but I haven't, like recorded a video for it, check out my Instagram, because I did this really cute recreation of this look from this girl. And it was so cute. So yeah, check out my Instagram. It's gonna be in the description box. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna be using this Garnier moisturizer. It's really good. I really do like it, so I would repurchase this again. I bought it because I was just having problems with dry skin since it was so cold outside. So I definitely recommend this. They have another one too that I think is for like normal skin. I think the pink one is for dry skin. So yeah, and I'm using the NYX Bear With Me hydrating primer, and I don't know, this primer is decent. I really don't know, y'all. I feel like I need a new foundation. I don't think nothing is wrong with the primer, but I don't know. Anyways, yeah. Okay, y'all, so I'm using the Juvia's Place foundation. This time I'm using the color 230 Malawi. I was using 240, but I feel like that one was still a little bit too light. Sometimes I still feel like this one is too light. I don't know, y'all. Like, different days, my makeup just come out a little different. But yeah. Okay, y'all, so I'm using the Makeup Plug Neon Pigment Stack. I'm using the orange out of here. I did have a lot of fallout, y'all. I still haven't learned how to just like use these really good, but it still came out cute at the end. I just had to clean up a lot of fallout during the process. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. It was really cute, like I said, and really simple to do. So yeah, if y'all like the video, give me a thumbs up. Y'all know what the deal is. Subscribe, leave a comment, and also turn your notifications on.